Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do basic ActionScript 2 commands and also buttons. Okay, let's get started. Alright, using the timeline you can use a variety of commands. Right, so to have it so it stops on a certain frame, so let's write something. Let's write start. Awesome handwriting. Start. Okay, so when you play this, it will just keep going through. The second one in the first frame. To get to start this frame, all you do, go into the frame action, right, frame, right, stop. No capital. Okay, now, when you click play, it'll stay there. Second frame, let's have it finish. This is how I write in real life. Not very well. Okay, so it won't go to the second frame because I've got stop command. Now, if you want it to go to the second frame, or let's put that as third frame. Okay, if you want something to go to a specific frame, instead of writing stop and keeping that frame, whatever, write in the frame, go to, capital A and capital S for stop. This will freeze it at that frame. You can also write, it will appear blue if it's a command, play. This will play it from that frame, like if you're doing an animation. But right now we want to do stop. Okay? 3. So, it shall skip. Oh, also, I always write this at the beginning of mine. Underscore root dot. Underscore root just directs it back to the main frames. Okay. This should skip straight to the finish scene. Alright? So play there. Okay, now that's how you change frames using the frame. Inputting it into the frame. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with a button. It's slightly different with buttons. Okay, so let's make a button. Dark colored button. Let's have it red. Here you go. Plain button. Okay, now all you do is click on that button and you go convert it to a symbol. Symbols are just like, I'll show you. Okay, F8, convert to symbol. Okay, convert into a movie clip, so the symbol will play a little clip within the symbol, or a graphic, so it's just something in the background, usually, or a button, which is what we want it to be. Okay, now it's going to be separate. You can't edit it like this, but if you go inside it, you can edit what it looks like. So all we want to do is when you press that button, it's going to go to the finish scene. So all you write is on. So when you do this action, it will come up a list of actions. Press, release, release outside, roll over. These just mean if you do this action, it's going to do what you're going to tell it to do. So we want, I don't know, release. So when you click on the button and release, it will change scene. Okay. This is located at the top right of the keyboard, near that part. It's I call it an action bracket. And within the brackets, it's basically you're telling it what you want it to do now when you do this. Okay? So you want it to underscore root, remember, directs it back to the frame. If you didn't have underscore root, it will go inside this and go to the second frame. Okay. Underscore root dot go to and stop 3. And then action bracket off. So now when you do this action, you, the user, so click on that button and release, the computer will do this action, which is it will go to the third frame and stop it there. Okay? You also want to re-put in stop in the frame so it doesn't change. Okay, so let's play. Finished. That's my scene. Okay, I think that's all I wanted to show today. Thank you for watching.